Need to fix notification not showing on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application settings. Inside the settings, scroll down and move into notifications. Once again, scroll down and head over to any of the application where you are not receiving the notifications of. You have to make sure that the allow notification is toggled on at the top right corner of the screen. After that, the next thing you want to do is simply turn off do not disturb mode. Sometimes turning off the focus mode might also help you out. The other way is to try restarting your device. Tap and hold the assistive touch and click on restart. Now once again head over to the settings of a device and then simply move into general. Inside general, head over to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Tap on reset all settings and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.